Hey guys, Just here. Today we're taking a look at this roof rack. This is just a basic Injora roof rack. I've added some scale accessories there and a spare tire and some straps. But I just wanted to show you guys something here. So it does come with a light bar. This is the light bar that it came with. It's bright, it does a job. It does look a little bit cheap, I find. And I did have a Proline 6-inch curved light bar, and it actually fits perfectly on this rack, and it's gonna look super sweet on our Jeep XJ project. So if you look in the rear, we've got these spare holes here. So what I did, I'll show you in 1 second here, is I ordered the RC 4-wheel drive Baja Designs rear lights. Just get them opened up here. And these are going to mount on the rear of the roof rack. So it should look really, really nice on the Jeep. Just kind of set this on here so you guys can see it. So today we're gonna get this thing all drilled in and wired up. Okay, so those are gonna sit on there just like that. Now, one thing I just wanted to point out that I find very strange is that they didn't come with any mounting hardware. Thankfully, I should have some extra mounting hardware around, but I just think that should have been included. But I'm gonna get these mounted up and we'll plug them in and see how bright they are and whatnot. Okay, so we got the lights mounted here. They look awesome. One thing I have to do is I'm going to just Dremel off the ends here just so that these aren't sticking down. And then I'm probably going to paint the nut black, and in the inside here as well. I'm going to paint that black. Ooh. Let's get to focus. I'm going to paint that screw black. Just so that it's hidden, and I'm probably gonna paint the wire just where it's right here, the red, paint that black as well. So we'll get that all done, and then we'll get this rack mounted up on the Jeep. Okay, while the paint's drying, I'm trying to figure out a position, best position for this roof rack. So there's these little ridges here on the roof. So I want to be just in the inside, and want enough room here that the hatch could open, and I want the light bar just up enough. I think right there is pretty good. So I got some tape on there, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mark my holes, and we'll get this thing drilled out. Okay, we got all our holes marked there, so I'm going to get this drilled out, and we'll get that roof rack mounted up on here. Can't wait to see what it looks like. Okay, there it is, guys. I apologize for the glare. I know that's not going to come through that clear on video, but just wanted to give you a shot of it on. Fits the window perfectly. Really, really, really loving the look of this Jeep. Roof rack looks sick on there. So I'll show you the other lights in a minute. I just don't want to overload my ESC at the moment, so I'll show you the rear in a second. I just want to get a shot of the front there. This thing is just going to look killer at night on the trails. I'll try and get a night shot for you guys as well here before I finish the video. But yeah, really happy with this. This project is coming along really nicely. Of course, it does add a lot of weight, so I'm gonna have to adjust the shocks a little bit. This thing's gonna be quite heavy, but it's not really a rock crawler. It's gonna be more of a trail rig slash tow rig. So, you know, I'm okay with the extra weight. Like I said, it's not a real rock crawler per se. So let me just switch this over and show you the back really quick. Okay, and here we have the back. Again, I apologize about the glare, but these lights are really bright. I only have a 2S battery in there right now, but yeah, really loving these RC four-wheel drive Baja lights. They look totally sweet on there. They're all bolted up nice. Like I said, I've got painted up black, painted the wire black just to hide it a little bit more. I mean, these lights, they're more for show, more for look than anything. But really happy with it. And the only regret I have is I wish I would have positioned the roof rack back just a tiny bit more. But I think it still looks pretty good on there. I like how the front kind of overhangs the windshield there. But yeah, overall, I'm really happy with this. Like I said, I'm gonna get this outside, get some night shots in the snow, and that will probably be it for part 2 of the XJ project. Okay guys, and there it is. Looks pretty sweet. Super bright. Really happy how this project turned out. So stay tuned for part 3. We're gonna do some more upgrades to this thing and get some more running footage. So just like, subscribe, and see you on the next one. Thanks.